Hey guys, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com. And this is going to be a quick one. I actually just finished doing an hour and a half training session for our members, SMM and OMM, and I'm kind of tired. So anyway, oh, and by the way, well, let me get to this first because people get pissed if I say something other than what's the stock doing right at the beginning, and they think I'm trying to sell them on something. So here we go. Shake Shak. All right. You see they report earnings in basically a month. This is what I like about the stock. It's done going up, and I don't think it's done going down. This has been a heck of a move from bottom to top, like 40-some% in what? Less than a month. And so now we get kind of this climax top right at the open. You know, we get big volume here, big massive volume here, and then the stock in very short order is up 15%. Do you think maybe you're going to get some of these folks who bought on this massive volume day taking profits? Because I do. One of the things that Trader Bren mentioned today in our forum was this is a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay? Very, very different than all of these trades. I mean, how many days in a row did this stock go up? 10 days? 11 days? I don't know. You count them. Went up a lot. And now we've got this bearish engulfing pattern where the stock opens up. It opens above the prior day's intraday high, and it closes below or at the prior day's intraday low. You know, so you get what I'm talking about. Today's prices literally do engulf the prior day. This is like completely in the box. And so this is a key reversal pattern that we don't see that often, but when you do, it's real money. You can see what happened back here in a similar kind of deal where the stock had a really good run, 30% in a month, something like that, and then you got this big down day. Go back and do it. Big down day, reverse the prior day, and then we just keep going. And so now we're up here again. This would be my suggested trade. I'll probably take this tomorrow. I didn't see it today. I was busy. I would be shorting the stock. Hopefully, the stock will even gap up in the morning. A lot of times they do that, but not always. I would be shorting the stock, and your risk is a move back above 58. I seriously doubt you're in danger of that happening, but this is a shortable stock, and look for it at the very least to fall, I'd say, another 10%. So anyway, and what I was going to mention to you was something that I mentioned in our forum today. This is just for Stock Market Mentor members, and it's just for members. We're in the process of beta testing Option Market Mentor, and if you want to get in on that beta test, it's $88 a month. Again, this is just for Stock Market Mentor members. You can't just join Option Market Mentor for $88. This is an add-on thing. So if you want to do that, if you're interested in doing that, you need, I don't even think we have the button set up for the price that low. So just email Karen at stockmarketmentor.com. If you do that, she can get you set up, okay? That's all I got to say. We've had a lot of members already taking advantage of it, but I'm just mentioning it here on a free chart because, you know, I don't keep secrets like this. Plus, I want you in. I want you on my team. So do that, and hopefully I'll see you there. All right.